Immunity. With the help of immune system, the total power of body to fight against disease-causing microorganisms is called immunity power. Every day, our body comes in contact with many disease-causing agents, but only some lead to diseases. The reason is our body has the capacity to release antibodies against these pathogens and protect the body from diseases. This protective mechanism is called immunity power. Types of immunity. There are two main types of immunity. First, innate immunity, or non-specific immunity. Second, acquired or adaptive immunity. Innate immunity. Innate means by birth or congenital. This type of immunity is present in an organism from birth itself. When pathogen attack occurs, it gets activated immediately. This immunity is present in the body even before microbial attack occurs. Therefore, it is non-specific. Innate immunity power contains certain barriers and protection mechanisms which keep foreign cells away from body. Innate immunity indicates the body defense system. By providing natural resistance components like saliva enzymes, natural killer cells, intact skin, and neutrophils, this immunity helps us. It is long-lasting immunity. In this, our body itself produces antibodies. To prevent entry of disease-causing organisms, our body has some natural barriers. Types of barriers. First, physical barriers. These include skin, body hair, respiratory tract, and gastrointestinal tract. These form the first line of defense. B. Physiological barriers. Body fluids like lysozyme, saliva, tears, etc., flowing in body are the main physiological barriers. These inhibit the growth of microorganisms. C. Cellular barriers. Even though physical and physiological barriers are present, some pathogens enter our body. Polymorphonuclear leukocytes in blood, PMNL neutrophils, monocytes, natural killer cells, and macrophages in tissues are the main cellular barriers. D. Cytokine barriers. Immune cells secrete cytokines. These stimulate cell division and cell differentiation. Some cytokines protect neighboring cells from viral infection. Cells involved in innate immunity. A. Phagocytes. These move around in the body searching for foreign substances. They destroy them while protecting the body against that pathogen. B. Macrophages. These possess the power to move through the walls of circulatory system. They release certain signals as cytokines to recruit other cells at the site of infections. C. Mast cells. These are important for healing wounds and for protection from infections. D. Neutrophils. These contain granules having toxic nature and kill any pathogen that comes in contact. E. Eosinophils. These contain highly toxic proteins. They kill any bacteria or parasite that comes in contact. F. Basophils. These attack multicellular parasites. Similar to mast cells, they release histamine. G. Natural killer cells. These prevent spread of infectious diseases by destroying infected host cells. Acquired or adaptive immunity. Acquired or adaptive or accommodative immunity is the immunity power acquired or being acquired by our body over a period of time. Unlike innate immunity, it is not present from birth. Immunity is formed only after production of antibodies following entry of microorganism or antigen into body. Therefore, it is antigen specificity. It exhibits immunological memory or memory of immunity. Adaptive immunity is pathogen-specific, and it is characterized through memory. When body encounters a pathogen for first time, it produces a response. It takes more time to develop. This is called primary immunity. It is of low intensity. If body encounters the same pathogen again, it produces a highly intense and rapid reaction. This is called secondary immunity. Primary and secondary immunity reactions are carried out with help of two types of lymphocytes present in our blood. Humoral immunity, HT. B-lymphocytes, stimulated by antigen, produce specific antibodies and release them into body fluids like plasma, lymph, etc. This is called antibody-mediated immunity, or AMI. B-lymphocytes, antibodies. In response to disease-causing organisms, or antigens, B-lymphocytes produce protein molecules called antibodies. Cell-mediated immunity, CMI. These immunity responses caused by the actions of these lymphocytes are called cell-mediated immunity. Moreover, cell-mediated immunity identifies the self and non-self cells present in the body.